been recorded. Payana, Aravind,
Sir,
Uma Maheshwar. Today onwards, from this session, our Babu sir is also joined. He records the online classes. Every class he records. Those recorded class you can see afterwards also. If any child fails to attend the class, he can view, he can listen the same missed class even at his leisure time. Yesterday, our beloved AGO sir, Sri Rajendra Kumar Garu, attended our school, visited our school, and he gave some suggestions and a slight modifications regarding these online classes. He worried about the poor attendance of our Lepakshi school. That's why he suggested the staff and the principal of Lepakshi to make record these online classes and provide them to view, to listen, to attend the classes, whatever time is available at their home. So, I sincerely express my thanks to our Secretary Sir, Sri Krishna Mohan Garu and Sri Rajendra Garu and our beloved Principal Sri Prasad Garu and the staff and Babu Sir
Ninna.
and my colleagues Sir, Bashir Sir and Madam Garu and Joel Sir and Ashish Sir making me support. Especially they are giving their support to us to watch these classes and to do some kind of guidance. Okay. Now the time is 5 minutes over. Now it is exactly 7:05. 7 past 5. Yes. Shall we start? Meanwhile, anybody take some snaps of attendance, class attendance? Because yesterday I made some efforts to call the children. Now I will see the result. How is the result? Yesterday's my efforts are there. After my efforts, I want to check my result. Okay, children. Once again, good morning to you all.
Good morning.
Yes, children. Yesterday, I request Babu sir to show that PPT slides, sir.
అందరూ కూడా ఎవరిది వాళ్ళు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు మాట్లాడాలనుకున్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
Babu, today onwards the chance is given to you. Mute all your mobile phones. When you have some kind of doubts, you can make unmute your mobile phones and you can chat with me. You can raise your doubt. Follow the suggestions of our DO sir, Babu sir.
Yes sir. చెప్పండి సార్.
Sir, first screen sir. Yes, children. Now you see here we are watching Unit A. Attitude is altitude. Reading A. Yesterday we discussed Nick Vujicic played water games and golf game. Now you can see very clearly here how Nick is playing golf game and a normal person and a common man, how he is playing. You see how Nick is balancing the stick, how he stands, how he is balancing on the foot also. You can see in the picture very clearly a small foot is there. He is balancing total his body, torso, the body on the foot, taking the help of foot and keeping the stick under the chin. He is kicking the ball. Not simply kicking the ball, he is making the ball reaching the goal also. That video I have uploaded to you. I will show you in the middle of the class. After this class, I will send it to your groups also. You can view that video also. Our next video, sir. Here, yesterday we discussed water sports are there. Nick is not only water sports, he played some games on land also. Yes, you see here, it is a water sport. Skating, sorry, surfing. This is surfing. Surfing on water. You see how he is balancing the boat, cardboard. He plays football, he plays golf game, he rides surfing on water, he swims on water also, children. You can imagine how much efforts he has given to that gain that skill. Very important, children. It is very important in our life also, taking the inspiration such people. Another side, sir, third side. Yes, now I got this message through WhatsApp group. Now you can see a small woman is there in the middle of high security police people and high official people. That woman name is Aarti Dogra, an IAS officer in Rajasthan state, Ajmer district. She is the collector of Ajmer. You see how confidently she is walking, nearly 2 feet or 3 feet, maybe her height. Very confident, very attentive and very active. She is walking very fastly among the huge crowd. You see, to reach that position, Aarti faced so many problems in her life. Imagine how many problems she faced. If you go on searching this type of life history of these type of people, we can learn how much pain they faced in their life to reach such goals. I give you this type of women or this type of men are an example. Only one example I show you. You can find an innumerable number of examples in our society. Yes, this is the introduction of this lesson, once again recapitulating. And I expressed, we discussed what in the previous class is Nick Vujicic born as a torso, and he has a very key important body part in his body, his physical body is his chicken drumstick, a small foot on left hip, chicken drumstick. What is chicken drumstick means? A small foot on his left hip is chicken drumstick, and majoritarily he is doing all these activities with that chicken drumstick only. Nick's not only water games, he plays some golf, football also. But behind all these things, we had the efforts of his parents. From his starting onwards, from the start of his birth, the parents played a major role successful in the society. Yes, the first major decision is deciding not to send him special school, sending him to a normal school like a normal child. Nick Vujicic afraid when parents decided to send him to a normal school, but he adjusted. That adjustment gave him a good result in his future. Yesterday we discussed also, his mother was a nurse, She took all precautionary things in her pregnancy, but Nick born without hands and without legs like a torso. When his father saw the baby born like this, he ran out of the room and vomited. And the distraught mother, disturbed mother, why God gave me this type of boy to me, this type of child to me. Thus, distraughted mother suffered 4 months to take the boy into her hands. You see, 4 months is not a short period. 160 days, 120 days. In that 120 days, the boy is away from the mother. She does not show her mother's love to the boy till 4 months. She never take the boy into her hands. She never give the milk, feed the milk to the boy. See, Nick, which is faced the problem from the day one of his life. Yes, finally, the parents accepted the mistake which made to them by God. They accepted, yes, this is not going to change in our life. My son is not going to get any hands, any legs in this life. So they decided to make him to stand independent. In this class, we are going to learn how the parents made him to stand independently. Babu, some boys are making some kind of disturbance, writing this type and that type. Remember that once again I am telling you, today onwards the classes are recorded. These recorded classes you can see afterwards also. I kindly request these type of mistakes you do not continue. Who is that rascal? He must erase that one. Now it is the erasing. Make it your video. Make it your phone unmute also. Because the video classes are recorded today onward. Okay, now I start the lesson. Babu sir, 4th page, sir. Babu sir, ఒకసారి back page next పెడతారా? Okay, thank you. Yes, today onwards we are learning how the child is taking care by his parents and how he became an independent person in his life. Yes, you see here, 3rd paragraph. My dad put me in water 18 months and gave the courage. I also got really into football and skating. I totally love the English Premium League. Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant, and he taught his little son how to type. At just 6 years old, his mother invented a special plastic device that means to hold a pen and pencil. Yes, here you can see here. My dad put me in water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. See, wonderful thing what the father is making to the child, his child. At the age of 18 months, he took a tub of water and he kept the boy in water. Why he is doing this activity means make the child and he is making his child to get courage, enough courage. Enough courage he is developing in the child. In our life, what our mothers do? Hey, Babu, don't touch that one. Hey, don't stand. Don't catch. Don't go. Don't see. Our mothers say, but we have to encourage the child from his childhood onwards. When he starts his life moving, but we have to protect him. Yes. Are you trying to stand, child? Okay, get up. Do you want to touch this ball? Yes, take this ball. If you encourage the child from his early stages or her early stages, the child learns to acquire knowledge from starting days of their life. If we say don't, the child says that I stop all my things, doing things. Yes. His wonderful job done by his parent is at the age of 18 months, his father gave him a tub bath, which makes the boy getting courage to stand in water so that he can learn swimming in his future life. Yes, next line you can observe here. I also got really into football and skateboarding. You see here. I also learn here. Who is I means Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic really loved to play football also. Not only football, he also played skateboarding. And the skateboarding is on ice. Yes, you can see cold places, cold mountains are there. In the mountains, Himalayas, skateboarding is there. He learned how to skate also. I totally love the English Premier League. Here you see here, English Premier League. Yesterday we discussed it. English Premier League is football game. Yes, he loved football game very much in his life. Next paragraph. Who is Nick's father? We are going to learn. Previous class we learned that Nick's mother is a nurse.
Yeah.
Is it right? So today we are going to learn Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant. He was a computer programmer and also an accountant also. And he taught his little son how to type with his toe at just 6 years old. You see here, at 6 years old. Generally, children learn how to write with their hands. Script writing. Alphabets. They learn alphabets. His father also tried to make his child to learn alphabets. Instead of writing, he made the child to type on the computer or laptop. Yes, he introduced how to type. He taught his little son. Little son, who is here? Little son, Nick Vujicic. He taught his little son to type with his toe. Toe, underline this toe. Where is the toe? The toe is
On the right here.
on his
Left.
chicken drumstick.
Left, sir.
Yes, what is chicken
Left
drumstick here?
Left hip.
Left hip.
Yes, a small foot on his left hip.
Left hip.
With that thumb, he started to type the letters. You see here, wonderful job. First, he gave courage to swim in water, keeping the child in water at 18 months. At age 6, once again, the father taught the boy to start his education, learning of education by making the typing of letters. Yes. Next para, you. Despite the risk of being bullied, His parents insisted on his attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, Arsenic, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Here, the aim, the goal of parents is making the child independent, but the goal is reached after 10 years or 15 years in the life of his boy. It is clearly mentioned, it is clearly explained by our Nick, which here once again I read. Despite the risk of being bullied, parents insisted him attending mainstream school. Despite the risk, despite means not caring, not worrying about the risk. Risk means problem. Remember, children, where the risks are more, we can expect a good result in that work. No risk, no result. No risk, no result. If we face problems, if we face challenges, if we welcome the risks only, we can get result, a good result, children. It is a naked truth in our life. Naked truth. Naked truth means Nagna Satyam. Naked truth in our life. You see, children, despite the risk of being bullied, risk means some kind of challenge, problem is there. Being bullied. Yes, bullied. Bullied means getting some kind of harm. We feel some kind of harm. Some boss children are there. Dominating children are there in the class. Hey, you see this Nick is he a boy? Do you see where are his hands? Where are his legs? Do you call him a man? Do you call him a human being? Like that, the humiliation, the using harsh words, we can expect from other children in the class. Not only that one, like normal children, he cannot walk, he cannot write, he cannot answer the questions also, because he was a torso. He does not have hands and legs. That's why at the early stage, he faced many problems like bullied. Bullied means harmed by other children in the classroom. His parents insisted on his attending mainstream school, but the parents never accepted his explanations, his reasons for not attending the classes. They told, insisted, underline, insisted on. Insisted on means stressed. Gave importance. Babu, today if you feel pain, tomorrow you can grow. In our childhood also, we get fever. If mother weeps, oh, my son got fever, my son got fever, my son got fever. Does the fever go away from the boy? No. But the woman takes the boy to the hospital. He takes to the doctor and he explains the problem, why he got fever. At that time, the doctor advises, I will give you some medicine and an injection. If mother says, oh, that much iron needle enters into my son's body, he will get pain and he will weep. If the mother stops that work, does he get relief from fever? No. That's why mother takes some risk. In the same way, we have to take some risk. Here, parents also taking some risk. Even when he faced some problems, when he was bullied by other children in the classroom, parents consoled the boy. Parents explained the boy. Parents cleared the boy's reasons for not attending the school. They explained, "Oh, my dear Nick, this world is not kind enough.
Yes, sir.
This world is not
Voice
good
simple
enough to
lesson.
live very positively. This world is a cruel jungle like other animals live in the jungle. Always the cruel animals take their revenge on domestic animals, strengthless animals. In the same way, we are also very weak people in the world. We have to face the challenges and get the strength by the grace of God. So, Babu, you have to face, you have to accept the bullied, the bullyings, ashames, the harsh words from the people, so that you can live very happily in the world. So that's why he attended the mainstream school. Here, mainstream school means government school, we can call normal school. Like children attend, majority of children attend, not a special school like dumb, deaf, blind people. We have special schools. Here, Nick Vujicic is also a special children, special child. He cannot attend the class like normal boy. He cannot walk to the classroom. He cannot write in the classroom. He cannot sit on the bench. He cannot walk. So that's why he needed some special school. But parents never agreed to send him to a special school. They expressed, "Babu, it is good for you to go to a normal school." So that's why he was admitted in a mainstream school. Yes, now he is telling, it was the best decision they could have made for me. That's Nick. Nick is telling the same man, expressing another way after reaching 26 years or 25 years. It was the best decision. Children, you see, if your mother says, keep away from the mobile phone, don't watch mobile phone videos, you don't think it in a negative way. It is the good decision what your parents are taking. If they tell you, Babu, read your lessons, attend the online classes, those suggestions are very good suggestions from your parents' side. Children, you have to listen those words. The same Nick Vujicic, when he was 6 years old, he faced a problem. He requested parents, "No, mother, I don't want to go to mainstream school. I will join special school." But the same man, after becoming 25 years or 26 years in his life, he is telling, my parents' decision was the best decision they could have made for me. Made for me. Yes, parents are there. Yesterday also I expressed to you, our well-wishers are our parents. Believe your parents, not others. They are selfless persons. They never expect from us. They want to give only. They only think that, what can I give to my child? How can I provide to my child? In the same way here also. Who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. You see here, he's explaining. Now I became a financial and real estate degree holder, and now I am eligible to do any job. But how I reached this degree? Because my parents' struggle, with my parents' vision. The parents visioned to make the boy to stand independently in the society. They know that God will not give permission to live with their son as long as he live. They know they know that fact. They know the reality. So before they go away from this world, they wish to make the boy to stand independently. That is their wish. According to their wish, they worked very hard at 18 months of the boy. Next line you can see. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electrical wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. You see here. Nick was teased and bullied. Nick was teased. Teased means make fun of. Teased means make fun of. Bullied means bullied also. Teased. Teased means make fun of. Bullied. Bullied means making harm. Giving harm. Giving harm to other people. Here teasing, bullied. Very, very important. Teased means make fun. Make fun means navkodam. Bullied means seek to harm. They want to do harm the boy with words, with actions also. Bullied and teased. Yes, he accepted that teasings and bullyings from other people in the classroom. But he had an electrical wheelchair. His father is a computer programmer. He invented an electrical wheelchair for mobility. Mobility underline. Mobility means to move from one place to another place. Mobility means for movement, to move from one place to another place. He took the help of an electrical wheelchair. For that electrical wheelchair, a team of carers are also there. A team of carers. Some caretakers are allotted for this boy to help, to climb, and to come down, and to sit, how to sit in the mobile chair. Yes. Next para. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old. He said, I went to my mom crying, and told her I wanted to kill myself. You see here. Once again, I read for you. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old. He said, I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. Children, mute cheyandi మీ mobiles. I request you once again, mute all your mobiles independently. Yes. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old. When he was 8 years old, he started going to school at the age of 6 years, and he pained, and he felt some sorrow things. He faced some sorrow things, and he decided, and he went to his mother, and he is telling some words which a mother could not listen. Any mother could not listen these type of words from their sons. But unfortunately, Nick's mother is listening these bad words from his son. What are the bad words you see? I went to my mother crying and told her, he is telling to her mother, I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself. Mother, I want to kill myself. Why, child? Why do you want to kill myself? What is my life? Is there any meaning to my life? I cannot run. I cannot walk. I cannot eat. I cannot brush. I cannot bath. I am always dependent on others. I am giving a lot of trouble to you and my friends, my relatives. what is the use of my life? What is the purpose of my life? There is no purpose. He was in negative side. He was thinking in negative side. So that's why he is thinking that there is no use of my living. There is no purpose of my life. So I want to kill. I want to suicide. You think, children, does a mother accept these words from her child? Never. Never. But she is ready to give her life to her child. But she never ready to listen these type of words from her child. The same thing happened. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents
Excuse me,
were
sir.
not there to look after me. I felt cold and bitter. I felt
సార్ నేను బాబు
cold
సార్
and
సార్
bitter. Underline cold and bitter.
సార్ నాది సార్
Sir?
సార్ టైం 30 seconds ఉంది అనుకుంటున్నా.
Okay, sir. Once again, we have to log in, sir.
ఓకే షూర్ సార్. అందరూ కూడా
10 minutes,
మరి
sir.
లాగిన్
8
కావండి.
close చేస్తా.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir.